and welcome to this Catechism class, my dear friends, little friends of class 2. Today, we are going to dwell on God's gifts to man. God is a loving daddy, and as such, He loves us very much. He has not left anything less for us, but He keeps us in His love, and He has created for each one of us, all human beings, a beautiful and colorful world we live in. Here we see the creation of man. God has created a world with mountains and hills and trees and animals, big and small, and with every living creature you can think of. The birds in the sky and the fish in the sea, and the trees and last of all, He created man as the peak of creation. Now, in all this creation, we see that there are two kinds of creatures, and that they are considered as the living and non-living creatures of God's creation. Now, children, if you look at the sky and if you look in your own textbooks, you will see that there are some things which are created and everything is okay. Now, what we see in creation is the moon, the stars at night, the sun by day with His powerful light, which He gives us light and energy. Now, these are the things which we consider children as non-living things. Non-living creatures means they are created by the good God, but no life. They shine and as God's will tells them, they do it. The sun coming by day and the moon by night. Then you have fire. Fire, and that fire, it burns, but it needs something to burn, and therefore we supply the matchbox and we've used the fire. Now, what happens is all these things are non-living. Now, they are placed in this world, this beautiful world, by God our Creator. He is our loving Daddy, and He creates us. He creates us and man, and He creates everything that you look around, because God, our Daddy, gave us two eyes to see, look around and see His beautiful creation. Now, what happens is, these creatures, these non-living creatures, are necessary for the growth and they help man to grow. Now, have you understood what I tried to tell you about? What did God, our loving Daddy, do? He created the beautiful world for you and for me. Now, I will teach you a song. Are you ready to listen? Okay. My God is so good, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing that He cannot do. My God is so good, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing that He cannot do. He made the mountains, He made the rivers, the stars are His handiwork too. My God is so good, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing that He cannot do. Thank you, children, for listening. Now, I will sing and you will sing with me twice, so that you get the song. It is all about creation, how God created the world, the beautiful world that we live in, for you and for me and for each and every person who is born on this earth. My God is so good, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing that He cannot do. My God is so good, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing that He cannot do. My God is so good. Come on, children, join me, please. My God is so good, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing that He cannot do. Did you follow the song? Now you sing it constantly, and every morning when you get up, when you look out at the beautiful blue sky, it is of but natural that we will say thank you, because these are gifts. All these are gifts of the good God to each of us. Now, every morning when we get up in the morning, we join our hands, close our eyes, and we will say, my God, I love you. You are my creator. Thank you for the beautiful world that I am living in. And one word to you, to each of you who are listening to me. Please take your textbooks and read the first chapter. You will learn more by reading it, and you will know what God created, the beautiful world for you and for me. Thank you. God bless you and have a nice day. All the best.